रफीन भाई मैं फिर से नमाज पढ़ूंगा वो नहीं है अभी वो मान कर दूसरा डालो ये वाला डालो आ रहा हो क्या
Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Today is still Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, as you know. And tomorrow it's like my school has asked us to bring many things. For National Day, we're gonna decorate our classrooms and the whole school, the corridors and all, we're gonna decorate. So they asked us to bring balloons, banners, flags and all. I'm gonna show you guys what my parents bought it for us. Take a look, guys. This is a cap. I love Uae. My parents bought it for my bunu, so that it looks pretty cool. This scarf is for me. I don't like cap that much as I like scarf. That's why my parents put a scarf for me, and of course I totally love it. I'm gonna wear it with my abaya.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello. My parents brought this umbrella and I have to take it to school tomorrow. And for National Day, I'm gonna use it as a decorative item. I need to wear this abaya and the cap to school tomorrow.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. guys, today is we are celebrating National Day in our school, and I have told you many times that my school is organizing some stores. So they're gonna sell some things that they collected, and the money that you're gonna collect, you're gonna give it to the charity. So I'm so excited. As you can see, I'm all dressed up. She's also, as I told you, my scarf I took it like this, and my hijab and the abaya.
Maya.
Warrior that she showed my cap. We'll be going to school now because I'm so excited.
Me too. Bye.
Assalamu.
My mom is making our tiffin. She's gonna give us pasta. So first she put the sausages in there and she's frying it because I want sausages in my pasta, so that's why she's frying it slightly on low heat or medium heat. You can fry the sausages. After it is fully fried, we can keep it aside. Then we can pour. Now she's putting the pasta first. As you can see, it's so much. And now she's pouring the pasta in. I love to eat pasta I love to take pasta in my tiffin. I also share it with my friends and they also love it. So I requested her to give me pasta this time because it's a special day. Now she's stir frying it slightly on low heat. Now when the pasta is done, like you stir fried it almost completely with the sauce, now she is putting in the sausages. She also cut down the sausages into small pieces. Now she's putting it in. And what are your guys, like what your school is organizing for National Day? Don't forget to comment it down below. I would love to know. Now she put some oregano and some chili flakes for the flavoring it. You can mix it a bit. And then we're done. And she's giving it in my lunch boxes. She's gonna pour it in the big space, and those small spaces she's gonna give something. I don't know, maybe fruits, biscuits, nuts, chocolates, anything she can give. Not sure. She's giving it. Now she said, oh, cucumbers. She's giving cucumbers. Yay. I love cucumbers and a chocolate. Great. All good. Now close it and oh no, she's giving a cupcake. It's also chocolate and vanilla flavored. I love it. It's all packed. Now put it in the cover. Yeah. Close the chain. And we are done. Yay.